Hello and welcome to Get the Picture. I'm excited to have you join me today as we talk about making money online. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this video helpful. Making money online is a popular topic these days, and for good reason. It's a flexible and convenient way to earn income, and it allows you to work on your own terms. Plus, with the rise of the digital age, there are more opportunities than ever before to make money online. There are thousands of ways to make money online. But it's important to find an opportunity that fits your abilities and interests. Take some time to consider what you're good at and what you enjoy doing, and then look for ways to monetize those skills online. Not only can making money online be a great way to supplement your income, but it can also provide you with a sense of freedom and independence. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can set your own schedule. But you sure want to hear some of the ways you can start making money online today. No worries, I got you. Selling products on websites like Etsy or Amazon. If you're a creative person, selling your products online can be a great way to make money. Websites like Etsy and Amazon allow you to set up a shop and sell your handmade or unique items to customers all over the world. Whether you make jewelry, clothing, art, or anything in between, there's a market for it online. Teaching English as a second language on websites like VIP Kid. If you have a teaching background or enjoy working with children, teaching English as a second language online can be a lucrative way to make money. Websites like VIP Kid allow you to teach English to students in China from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to be a certified teacher, but you do need to have a bachelor's degree and be a native English speaker. The pay for teaching English online can be quite good, and you can set your own schedule to fit your needs. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products or services. You can sign up as an affiliate with companies like Amazon or ClickBank and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com allow you to sign up as a tutor and connect with students who need help with their study. You can set your own schedule and rates and work with students from all over the world. Virtual bookkeeping or accounting. If you have experience in bookkeeping or accounting, you can offer your services online as a virtual bookkeeper or accountant. Websites like Bookminders and Belay Solutions allow you to work remotely and help businesses with their financial tasks, such as bookkeeping, payroll, and tax preparation. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, such as videos, blog posts, or social media posts, you can make money online by offering your services as a content creator. Many businesses and individuals need help with content creation, and you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also create your own content and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or selling products related to your content. These are just a few examples of ways to make money online. As with any opportunity, it's important to do your research and choose an option that fits your skills and interests. With persistence and hard work, you can make a successful income online. Now that you know some actual ways to make money online, it's important to plan out your goals and make a plan for what you want to do and what you need for it in terms of money, skills, and time. Don't expect to get rich quick or make money without effort, but don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your business if it makes sense for you. When it comes to buying services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, be careful and do your research. While these platforms can be a perfect solution if you exactly know what service you need and in the best case have some skills in this area as well just to make sure the quality of the bought service is good, they can also be a minefield of questionable offers and scams. Make absolutely sure you need what you buy and that the seller is reputable and delivers what they promise. Remember, making money online requires some effort and persistence, but it can also be a rewarding and flexible way to earn a living. Whether you want to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or build a full-time business, there are many options available to you. Just make sure you do your homework and choose a path that fits your skills, interests, and goals. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Making money online can be a great opportunity, but it can also be a daunting and confusing process. That's why we encourage you to share your experiences and opinions in the comment section below. By doing so, we can help each other get started, learn from each other's mistakes, and find new opportunities to make money online. We value your feedback and appreciate your support. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let us know. We're always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to our audience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.